Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to watch the planet Pluto, the deepest planet. Facts about Pluto. Distance from the Sun is 5.89 billion kilometers. Surface temperature is minus 230 degrees Celsius. Rotational period 6 Earth days and 9 hours. Orbital period 247.9 Earth years. Number of moons 5. An American astronomer, Percival Lowell, predicted the existence of Pluto in 1915. In 1930, an astronomer named Clyde Tombaugh spotted Pluto in a photograph. The International Astronomical Union named it after the Roman god of the underworld. Venetia Burney Fair, a schoolgirl from Oxford, named it Pluto. Pluto is far from the Sun, but it's smaller than our Moon. Generally, Pluto is farther from the Sun than Neptune. However, for a short period, it does come closer to the Sun than Neptune as its orbit is highly elliptical. The surface of Pluto is believed to be covered with methane ice. Pluto has a large rock core. The presence of solid methane indicates that the temperature of Pluto is less than minus 230 degrees Celsius. Orbit and rotation. This dwarf planet takes 248 Earth years to go around the Sun. Just imagine, if you lived on Pluto, you would have to wait 248 Earth years to celebrate your first birthday. A day on Pluto is longer too. One day on Pluto is about 6.5 days on Earth. Why did Pluto lose its status as a planet? Pluto is no longer considered a planet and is classified as a dwarf planet because while it is large enough to become spherical, it is not big enough to exert its orbital dominance and clear the neighborhood of debris materials surrounding its orbit. Astronomers had believed that Pluto was as big as the Earth. Later, with the aid of new technology, it was revealed that Pluto is very small. Pluto does not orbit the Sun on the same plane as the other planets. So, Pluto was voted out by the International Astronomical Union on August 24, 2006. 137 astronomers voted in favor of Pluto. 154 voted against the idea. So, Pluto is now regarded as a dwarf planet. The Kuiper Belt. Pluto is about 40 times farther from the Sun than Earth is. Pluto is in an area of space called the Kuiper Belt. Thousands of small icy objects like Pluto are in the Kuiper Belt. Curious fact: more dwarfs. Other than Pluto, there are 4 more dwarf planets. They are Ceres, Eris, Makemake, and Haumea. Moons of Pluto. Pluto has as many as 5 moons. Its largest moon is named Charon. This moon is the closest to Pluto. It was first identified in 1978 by James Christie, an American astronomer. Charon is about half the size of Pluto. Pluto's 4 other moons are Kerberos, Styx, Nix, and Hydra. All the moons of Pluto are believed to have been formed by a collision between Pluto and other astronomical body. What is a dwarf planet? A dwarf planet is a small one that does not have a clear space around it. Rocks, asteroids, rubble, and other materials can be spotted in its neighborhood. In fact, the absence of clear space is the chief difference between a dwarf planet and a planet. Okay friends, now let's move on to our bonus questions and answers section. Surface temperature of Pluto minus 230 degrees Celsius. Rotational period of Pluto 6 days and 9 hours. Number of moons 5. Pluto is a dash planet, dwarf planet. Who predicted the existence of Pluto? Percival Lowell. Pluto was discovered by Clyde Tombaugh. Who named Pluto? Venetia Burney Fair. Largest moon of Pluto? Charon. Who identified the moon Charon? James Christie. The year in which Pluto deposed as a dwarf planet? 2006. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give likes, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care. Be safe.